Alright guys, welcome back to Frugal Homestead. Today's going to be a little different. Well, different for us, not different for the dogs, because as you can see, they're just laying around on their butt like normal. Today's kind of a big day for us. We are going to the attorneys today to pay off our 25-acre homestead. Been a long time coming, huh, honey?
Oh yeah, been saving for a while.
So, we got a $40-some thousand cashier check. And if you think that you don't feel very small in your life when a piece of paper is worth years and years of hard work, then you've got more money than you know what to do with, obviously. Because for us, this is like years of work are worth only a piece of paper, and that's really hard to swallow in my opinion. But
the years of going, hopefully next year we're going to have enough. We're going to do it this year. The day is finally here.
So we're here, we're ready to do it, and we're just going to take you along for parts of it. Obviously, we can't take you into the lawyer's office because there's other people involved, but you get to see kind of as our day progresses, and then we'll hit you up afterwards to kind of get our impressions after we're through with it. But a compilation of years of being together and working and being here for like 8 years, busting butt to get to where we are today, has all come to this morning, this day, this very, very cold, wintry Monday. Things start to change for us, finally. So you ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Good, because I'm not.
I'm excited.
Here we go. Alright, so we just started leaving the house, headed towards the attorney's office. Be honest, this is one of these things that until you actually get done, it don't seem real. The road is really bad right now, so we're bouncing. But I don't know. I know it's gonna happen, but I have this feeling like the shoe's gonna drop. We've been waiting for something to break or happen for so long. It's like
we just knew sometime in the last 2 weeks since the appointment was made, something was gonna happen. Either a truck was gonna break down, or I don't know. Dogs have to go to the vet. Something to where we'd have to spend part of the money.
My wife hit a deer. That's what she usually does.
That's not nice. It is what I do.
But the reality is it's happening, and there's no stopping it. And we have a little padded income in case something happens, because we make pretty decent financial decisions most of the time. We're not perfect, just like anyone else, but it's like that pitter patter you got in your heart when you're about to do something big in your life.
It's like when you get a big diamond ring for Christmas.
Yeah, I guess. I don't get many of those, so. But, you know, and it's also the fact of you have accomplished something big, and
something that we worked very hard for.
Yeah, this isn't let's go get a loan from the bank to pay off. But this is money. This is cash. This is done. So we're gonna get our butts down the road here, get to the attorney's office, and get this done. Alright guys, so it happened. While we don't have the deed in hand, we've got the receiptage and everything that we now own our property. I think the total out the door ended up being $85,000. It's a long story. We'll get more into how we did it, especially with what we did this year, because this year we put back like 12 grand of it just this year alone. So kind of surreal. I'm still not fully soaked in that it just happened, but there's a lot of very happy people on both sides of the table. A lot of family members very happy for us, and you spend most of your life wanting to have, you know, a good wife, you know, a good job, and a house, but we strive for a little more. Instead of just having the house, we wanted the property paid off. And in our mid-40s here, we now have property that is ours, free and clear, no banks involved, just ours. And it's pretty amazing, honestly. And I know I'll feel it more personally myself tomorrow, or the moment we actually have the deed in our hand in a few days. But the sense of relief is overwhelming for me now, because I'm not waiting for the other shoe to drop or something to stop us, because that's what's happened in the past couple of years, is something big's always hit us. So no excuses, it's done. Now officially the Frugal Homestead is ours, free and clear. Nobody can take it, nothing can happen, we're done. So that's a really nice feeling. I feel like we've overcome the huge hurdle today, and I just don't know if I could have ever done it without my beautiful wife, or I'm sure she feels the same way about me, because we did this together.
We have worked very hard to get to this point, especially at the ages that we are.
Yep.
Because honestly, we're a lot younger than a lot of people are whenever they get their house paid off, if they ever get their house paid off.
Yep. You gotta really work hard if you want it. But the thing is, you don't have to give up much. And this last year has been kind of shady. We didn't know if we were going to make it this year, you know. I've backed off a little bit, working more at the farm than out on job sites, and so that reduces the amount of money that comes in. But it was a necessity. It needed done. But we just tightened up and focused, and we got there. And we're going to go into that a lot too, because I know there's going to be a lot of questions on how you put away that kind of money, and we don't have some fancy plan. It's literally about want and need, is all it comes down to, is want and need, and follow through. Expelling a little bit of energy saves you tons of money. And we're not,
it is about our lifestyle.
Yeah, and we don't want for anything, honestly. We don't want for anything. I mean, your basic necessities, if you watch our Instagram, or you know us on Facebook, or you know us in real life, you know we eat well. We eat well, and we enjoy life. We explore and we adventure. We don't want for much in our lives, so don't think you can't do it, because you can. You just got to want it. But we're going to go celebrate now. My dad actually invited us out for lunch, so we're going to go have lunch with him and just enjoy the fact that we're going to spend the day knowing that we accomplished something great this year.
And we're not only homeowners, but our property is totally paid off.
That's right. This is our year. 2020 is our year.
It's going to be an amazing one.
And we started off by paying off our property. What other great things can we get accomplished this year? Because if we do nothing else, that's enough. But we're not settling with just that. You wait till you guys see some of the things we get into this year. So, until next time, I'm Tony.
I'm Missy. And we'll see you in the next one.